Happy Monday.
Talaga, mayroong mga ganitong tao, pinanganak talaga sila, no? Para magkaroon ng mesomorphic body type. Okay? Yun siya. Next naman is endomorphic. Pag sinabi natin na endomorphic, they are the type of people who tends to become or who tends to have pag-restrict nila sa food nila, they tend to still become fat because of probably slow metabolism. Kapag naman very bilugan, they look very friendly, no? So yun siya, dun siya kinukuha. Again, pala na po tayong questions and clarifications. See you next week.
Black yan, di ba, sir?